Hello everyone, myself Soumya. Welcome to KSN Pharma tutorials. Today we are going to study about SAR of morphine. Okay, this is the general structure of morphine. Okay, it is an pentacyclic structure. That means it has an 5 rings. Okay, so it is an ring A, ring B, ring C, ring D, and ring E. Okay, ring A is also called as aromatic ring. Okay. Ring B is called as cyclohexane ring. Ring C is called as alcoholic or alicyclic ring. Okay. So ring D is called as ether bridge or tetrahydrofuran. Ring E is called as piperidine ring. Okay. So the numbering starts from aromatic ring. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay. So in morphine, third position contain phenolic OH group because ring A is aromatic ring. So it is attached with an OH group. So it is called as phenolic OH group. Okay. So it contains 4,5 epoxy bridge and an OH group at 6th position. Okay, this OH is called as alcoholic OH group because it is an alicyclic ring. Okay, so an unsaturated linkage present at an 7,8 position. Okay, so next it contains tertiary nitrogen at a 7th position. So it is called as morphine. Okay. So generally natural morphine exists in levorotatory form. Okay. So morphine has 5R, 6S, 9R, 13S, 14R configuration. R means rectus, S means sinister. Rectus means right hand, sinister means left hand. Okay. So carbons at 5, 6, 9, 13 and 14 positions are chiral centers. Okay. So next, modification must be done in the structure of morphine. Okay. Modification on aromatic ring, modifications on alicyclic ring, modification on tertiary nitrogen, next last one modification of ether bridge. Okay, so first one modification on aromatic ring. Okay, so ring A is called as aromatic ring. Okay, so this is ring A. Okay, so an aromatic phenyl ring is essential for the activity. Okay. Modification of C3-phenolic hydroxy group decreases analgesic activity. Okay. So, any substitutions on phenyl ring diminishes the activity. Any group substitute on the first comma second position, it diminishes the activity. Okay, so next one, replacement of OH group of morphine in aromatic ring at position 3 by methoxy group produces codeine. It is a potent antitussive agent. Okay, so this is the structure of codeine. Okay, so replacement of OH group in the morphine by methoxy group, it is called as codeine. Okay, so analgesic activity is converts into an antitussive activity. Okay, so codeine is a potent antitussive agent. Okay, so next one, esterification of 3-OH group gives compounds are more active than morphine. If esterification of 3-OH group produces more active compounds than morphine. Okay, so next second modification on alicyclic ring. Okay, so this is alicyclic ring, that is ring C. Okay, so natural conformation of C6 group is alpha, but inversion into beta configuration increases mu receptor affinity. This OH group is always in alpha configuration. If inversion of alpha configuration, it increases mu receptor affinity. So saturation of double bond at 8 position gives more potent compounds, that is dihydromorphine, dihydrocodeine. Okay, so this is the structure of dihydromorphine. Okay, so if insertion of 7,8 double bond, this is called as morphine. Okay, so elimination of 7,8 double bond in an morphine, it is called as dihydromorphine. Okay, so elimination of 7,8 double bond in an codeine, that is called as dihydrocodeine. Okay, so next, the C6OH group is methylated, esterified, oxidized, removed or replaced by halogens produce more potent analgesics. Okay, example, heroin. Okay, so in this heroin, 6th position OH group is esterified. So, and at the same time, 3rd position OH group is also esterified. This is called as heroin. Okay. Next, introduction of 14OH in dihydro form gives more potent 14-hydroxy dihydrocodeine and 14-hydroxydihydromorphinone. 14-dihydroxydihydrocodeine is also called as oxycodone. 14-hydroxydihydromorphinone is also called as oxymorphone. Okay, this is the structure of oxycodone. Okay, so in 14th position substituted with OH group, code ONE. Okay, so ONE means C double bond O group at an 6th position. Okay, so this is called as oxycodone. Okay, this is the structure of oxymorphone. ONE means ketone group at an 6th position, and at the same time oxy means 14th position contains hydroxyl group. Okay, that is called as oxymorphone. Okay, so next one, modification on tertiary nitrogen. So tertiary nitrogen is essential for optimum activity. Replacement of NCH3 by NC2H5 results in slight fall in analgesic response. Okay, more hydrophobic groups such as propyl, pentyl, hexyl and phenylethyl gives an increase in activity. Okay, so N-allyl and N-cycloethyl function gives the narcotic antagonistic properties. For example, naloxone and naltrexone. Okay, so this is an allyl side chain. Substitution of allyl side chain instead of methyl group in tertiary nitrogen, it produces narcotic antagonistic activity. Okay, substitution of N-cycloalkyl methyl group at an tertiary nitrogen produces narcotic antagonistic properties. Okay, so N-methyl N-pentyl group gives narcotic agonist properties. Last modification of ether bridge. Okay, breaking of ether bridge and opening of piperidine ring decreases the activity. So removal of ether linkage produces morphinan compound that has increased activity. For example, levorphenol. Okay, this is a morphinan moiety. So it is the structure of levorphenol. So removal of ether bridge in an morphine, it is called as levorphenol. Levorphenol is 8 times more potent than morphine. Okay, thank you.